coolant water pump is right here. In order to replace it, you have to remove throttle body, which is quite easy to do. Disconnect those temperature sensors. Then you have to drain the coolant as much as possible. Anyhow, you have to disconnect those big hoses. You can do from here. Once you drain the coolant, make sure of course it's cold enough. You have to remove that pulley on the coolant pump, that one. 4-bolt socket, 10 millimeters. Once you do that, you have to remove your vibration damper as well. You can use, I've got a kit and I locked it, but you can use something else to lock that vibration damper, so you can remove those screws, bolts actually. That's torque 40, T40. And yeah, so I will show you the bolts. The coolant pump comes without the thermostat and the coolant temperature sensor, so you have to remove from the old pump. The coolant pump sits right, yes, something like that. So you have one bolt which you can remove only with the spanner 10 millimeter. The coolant connector is obstructing that bolt to be removed by the ratchet, let's say. Then that bolt is underneath, it's behind the vibration damper, that's why you have to remove the vibration damper. Those three are easily accessible. And yes, new gasket and reassemble back in reversed order. Thanks for watching.